Hello Virgo Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome to James Tarot PH. So diretso na po tayo sa inyong monthly reading for February 2025. Nakahanda na po lahat ng cards natin. Na-pre-shuffle ko na po yan to save time. So simulan na po tayo. Ano po ang naghihintay sa inyo this February 2025? I-take nyo lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Use your intuition po para makuha nyo yung akmang message na para sa inyo sa reading natin today. Mag-message po kayo sa baba kung makaka-resonate po kayo and leave like, share, and subscribe po. Your middle card, we have the Strength card. In the area of what you want, you have the Five of Wands. In the area of what you need is a Knight of Cups. In the area of your recent past, you have the Hanged Man. In the near future, meron ka namang Justice. Sa challenge mo this month, ay Queen of Wands, ngayong buwan ng Pebrero. Ang inyong fortune, sa area of your fortune, is the Nine of Cups. Wow, fulfillment. Kapag nakita niyo po ito sa card, make a wish now. Make a wish. Kasi ito po ay card ng fulfillment. So, at nasa ano pa siya, area pa siya ng good fortune. So, swerte po kayo this February. In the area of your divine advice, Virgo, meron kang Ace of Pentacles. Beautiful. And the Three of Cups, celebration. Wow. Ang inyong outcome this month ay, a beautiful reading. Sobrang daming blessings. A Wheel of Fortune ang inyong outcome this February. At the bottom of your deck, we have the Tower. Huwag pangilagan. This is a massive change. A sudden change. Bigla ito. Change for the better. I'm hearing change for a good life, a good outcome. Kung kayo naghihintay na exam or a result, this is a positive result at nakikita ko dito. I'm also seeing na kung ano yung hiniling mo mangyayari, and it will change your life for the better. Simula pa lang din sa very positive reading, very beautiful, very optimistic. So start na tayo at the middle of your reading. We have the 8. Sabi sa 8 of Pentacles, but we have the Strength, number 8. Kung kayo po ay, ang birthday nyo ay 8 or 8 is your lucky number or 8 is something very significant for you, this is a confirmation that this reading is really for you. We have the Strength card. For a very long time, I'm hearing and I'm sensing na parang ilang beses kang sumubok, ilang beses kang na-reject, o ilang beses kang pumalia, o ilang beses kang nag-fail. But time and time again, dire-diretso ka pa rin, subok ka pa rin ng subok. Pinakita mo kung gaano ka katatag, pinakita mo rin kung gaano ka seryoso sa trabahong ito, o kaseryoso sa bagay na ito. If it's something about love, I'm seeing na time and time again, you have proven to that person that you really love him or her. Pinakita mo kung gaano ka devoted to sa bagay na ito, and hindi mo siya finorce but nagtiwala ka na kaya mo siyang gawin, and you were really motivated and dedicated to do this. So the Strength card is being clarified by the Ace of Cups. Ito talaga yung something na malapit sa puso mo, something na gusto mong gawin. You can't live without this thing or with this person. Masaya ka, ginagawa mo ito kahit na may mga times na parang mahirap, may mga times na pasuko na, but naalala mo palagi na mahalaga siya sa'yo, importante siya sa'yo. Kaya you kept that fight within you, and talagang pinaglaban mo ito. At magbubunga itong something na pinagtrabahuhan mo at pinagpaguran mo at pinagtibay ka nito because this is really something na gusto mo makuha ever since, at mahalaga ito sa iyo. In the area, akit tayo sa iyong conscious and subconscious area. In the position of what you want, we have the Five of Wands. This is not just a competition or a debate o hindi pagkakaintindihan. These are people na they're trying to learn from each other. Pero dahil nagkakaiba kayo ng opinion, kakaiba kayo ng gustong gawin, kakaiba kayo ng standpoint, kakaiba kayo ng point of view, kakaroon kayo ng clash Here, I'm sensing you want to win an argument. Gusto mong patunayan yung sarili mo. Gusto mong patunayan na tama yung hinala mo, patunayan na tama yung decision mo. Gusto mo malaman nila na kung ano man tong paninindigan mo ay makakabuti ito sa'yo, at ito talaga yung nais mong gawin. I'm also hearing na kating-katika ng patunayan sa kanila na from the very beginning, yung opinion mo at saka yung paniniwala mo ay tama. So let's clarify. The Five of Wands being clarified by the Page of Wands. Yeah, it's about you fighting for what you believe in, going for the things na alam mong makakabuti sa'yo. You have that fire within you. Marami kang hindi alam pa rin, syempre. Ayaw natin magtaas naman ng bangko sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero you know in your heart na ito yung passion mo, ito yung gusto mong gawin. Kaya kahit marami mga nagdi-dictate sa'yo na, hindi, ito ang gawin mo, yan ang gawin mo. Pinopursue mo pa rin because within you, you know that this is something na right para sa'yo. In the area naman of what you need, so this is what you want. Ito daw ang kailangan mo on offer. You want a solid offer. Kung ano yung maibibigay mo, kung ano yung may offer mo para mapatunayan mo na tama yung gusto mong gawin. This change sa bottom of your deck na mangyayari, itong pagbabago, you need someone to come to you to offer this. I'm hearing na this person darating, nagbibigay sa iyo ng probably proposal or a new job or a sideline or taong magiging karelasyon na mag-offer ng love niya sa inyo. This will change your life for the better. This massive change. Ito yung parang kailangan mo ngayon. A new start, a new opportunity na mabibigay sa iyo. Sa baba, pasok din yung new opportunity mo. So, dalawang opportunity ang naghihintay sa iyo, Virgo. This is really a very lucky month for you, this February. So, let's clarify the Knight of Cups. We have the Star. Yung wish mo, kung ano yung wini-wish mo, yun ang mabibigay sa'yo. Kung ano yung matagal mo nang hinahangad, minamanifest, yun ang laman ng cup na to at yun ang ibibigay sa'yo this February ng Spirit Guides at ng Panginoon. So, let's wait for that and let's cheer sa pagdating na yan. So, i-acclaim na natin yung mga parating na yan. In the area of your recent past, you have the Hanged Man. Matagal ka naghintay. You've waited so long for this change, for this beautiful offering on opportunity na darating sa'yo. Naging pasensyoso ka, katulad dito sa Strength card, naging matibay ang loob mo. And now it is a time for you to get out of this hanged man mentality and move kasi parating na yung swerte for you. So the Hanged Man is being clarified by the the King of Wands. Yeah. You've been brave enough to wait for that right moment. Naintindihan mo kung bakit hindi agad dumating yung mga bagay o maraming delay. Naintindihan mo na okay, kahit siguro hindi pa ito nangyayari, I will still continue. Try pa ulit. This passion project o this job na gusto mong gawin o kaya itong pag-aaral mo, I'm seeing also someone na nag-aaral o someone abroad na nagkatrabaho and kahit na nahihirapan sila with some trabaho, talagang laban pa rin because marami kang gustong gawin at marami kang pangarap. Kaya kahit maraming delays o maraming aberya, diretso ka pa rin dun sa pangarap na yun at you waited and napatunayan mo sa universe and also to God that you are worthy of these things na gusto mo makuha sa buhay mo. In the area of your near future, we have the Justice, good karma, bibigay sa iyo yung mga bagay na hiniling mo, napatunayan mo na deserve ko to. I always see Justice card as justice of something that you deserve. Deserve ko to kasi bumalik sa akin yung good karma. So this is also a card of you having this pagpirma ng mga kontrata, kung may pipirmahan ka, whether I'm seeing filling up forms, whether sa new work o sa SSS or somewhere na kailangan mag-fill up. So, read the fine lines. Basahin nyo po mabuti yung mga dapat yung pirmahan o dapat yung sulatin so wala pong aberya. I'm also seeing you getting the things that you want kasi magre-restore yan ng balance sa life mo. So, congratulations because nasa iyo na yung justice ngayon. Nakuha mo yung dapat makuha. Nakuha mo yung deserve mo. So, justice is being clarified by the Five of Swords. May mga bagay in the past na parang pinag-iisipan mo na tama ba yung nangyaring yun? Parang, bakit naman ganon, hindi patas? Marami na akong pinagdaanan. Bakit? I gave my best. Ginawa ko naman yung best ko. Pinatunayan ko na kaya ko. Sinunod ko naman. Bakit hindi umayon sa akin yung tadhana? Now, with the Five of Swords, is telling you na, yes, yung dapat sa'yo, nasa sa'yo na ngayon. Makukuha mo na yung mga dapat mo makuha. You deserve this. You worked hard for this. So, good karma is coming for you. In the area of your challenge sa ngayong Pebrero, ay Queen of Wands, challenge sa'yo ang paniwalaan ng sarili mo, self-worth, self-confidence, be bold, huwag ka matakot, don't hesitate kung may gusto kang gawin, kung may gusto kang patunayan, kung meron kang project na gustong simulan, go for it because ang challenge sa'yo, kailangan lumabas yung katapangan, yung paniniwala sa sarili mo, paniniwala sa kakayahan mo, na kaya mo. Huwag kang padidistract sa sinasabi ng iba like this, ito sa Five of Wands, because you can do whatever you can, because meron kang talent, meron kang abilities, you have every possibility na pwede mong gawin. Anything Virgo does is something na talaga makukuha niya because katulad ko, I'm a Virgo po. Virgos are very systematized, very into detail tayo eh. We don't do things without planning eh. So bago pa natin gawin, naplano na natin yan for many, many times, di ba? Naplano na natin yan ahead. So be bold, be courageous, because you can do this kung ano naman itong plano mo. So the Queen of Wands being clarified, the Nine of Cups. Dalawang beses po lumabas sa Nine of Cups. So wish ka because Nine of Cups is about wish fulfillment. So be bold, be assertive, and you will get what you want. Yun ang challenge sa'yo. Be bold and go for the things na gustong-gusto mo. In the area of your fortune is a fortunate card, very maswerteng card, Nine of Cups. Everything that you want, everything that you need nasa iyo. Nasa likodan niya lahat ng gusto niya makuha at ngayon nakaupo na siya, very happy. I'm seeing you attaining that job, kuning promotion o manalo sa loto. If you want to try loto, this is a good month for you. I'm also seeing you hearing that phone call or that email na makukuha ninyo. Mapapasaya yan because it is attainment and fulfillment of that dream o kung ano yung minamanifest mo. So the Nine of Cups is being clarified by the lovers. Yes, kung ano yung hinihiling mo. If it's love life, makukuha mo siya. Mag-fulfill yan sa life mo. If it's the job, talaga mag-rejoice ka. If it is about a passion project o kahit anong minamanifest mo, bahay, lupa, o I'm hearing kotse, someone manifested kotse, makukuha mo siya. So congratulations sa inyo, Virgo. In the area of your advice, we have the Ace of Pentacles and the Three of Cups. Rejoice kung ano yung mga nakukuha mo. I'm seeing na wag mong i-take for granted yung mga bagay na meron ka. This new opportunity will lead a celebration not just for you but for your whole family. Parang ito yung mga dinasal mo for your, not just para sa'yo pero sa pamilya mo, sa kapatid mo, sa pamangkin mo, o para sa tatay mo, o di kaya para sa bahay ninyo. I'm sensing this opportunity na darating ay matagal mong pinagdasal at isa-celebrate mo to with your family. I'm also hearing na kung ano yung mga pakonti-konting tagumpay na nakakuha mo, i-celebrate mo, be grateful, have that gratitude mindset so that other opportunities and other blessings will come to you swiftly and mabilisan, no? Have that mindset na parang lahat blessings. Wala kang time for negativity, wala kang time para sa mga bagay na wala ka. So, ihanda mo ang sarili mo rin sa mga beautiful new opportunities na darating mo at magka-celebrate ka this month, February. Congratulations, Virgo. Clarify natin. The Ace of Pentacles is being clarified by the Two of Swords. Dati litong-lito ka kung anong gagawin mo now with this new opportunity. Alam mo na kung anong patutunguhan mo, alam mo na kung anong tatargetin mo, alam mo na kung anong desisyon na kukunin mo because this brand new opportunity will clear out all those confusion o saan ba ako pupunta, ano ba itong gagawin ko, ano bang balak ko sa career ko, bakit ganito, wala pa nangyayari. So this new opportunity will remove that mindset sa'yo. Sa Three of Cups celebration card, we have the Knight of Pentacles. This celebration will start parang quick movement sa'yo, planting seeds for your future. Unti-unti mo na naaabot yung mga bagay na gusto mo makuha. So congratulations. So, bago puntahan itong outcome mo na the Wheel of Fortune, napakagandang outcome, let's muna read some oracle cards as additional messages. First, we have the Hummingbird Spirit. Number 34, kung mahalaga po sa inyo, significantly ang number 34, this message is for you. Kung nakita po kayo ng hummingbird anywhere, whether internet, personal, o sa narinig mo na sinabing hummingbird, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. Hummingbird, ang sabi dito, be here now. Be present. Huwag mo isipin yung past, huwag mo masyadong pagnilayan yung future. Kung ano ngayon, mag-celebrate ka sa now. Kung anong meron ka, yun ang pahalagahan mo. Celebrate it with the people that you love because every step naman ay mahalaga at every step naman ay nakaayon sa iyong tadhana. You are protected by Archangel Michael, Gabriel, and Raphael. I want you to know na kapag pinahalagahan mo yung now, mas nag-enjoy ka at mas matututunan mong pahalagahan lahat. Okay? Another message is the end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. Wow. It's really about patapos na daw yung mga hardship mo. Matutupad na yung pangarap mo. The wheel is turning in your favor. You have 2 Nine of Pentacles of fulfillment and happiness. You will celebrate with your loved ones. Mag-change na yung hardship into beautiful things. So this is really a good reading for you, Virgo. The next card is far away places, get ready for new horizons. O bagong mga landas na natatahakin mo, new adventure, new places. If you're gonna relocate o magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong bahay, this is a good confirmation of you having also a new business, lalago ang business na itatayo mo. So beautiful. So let's talk about your outcome. We have the Wheel of Fortune. Finally, iikot na yung kapalaran in your favor. Yung mga dati mong dasal o araw-araw mong dinarasal, matutupad na. May pagbabago, may improvement dun sa inaaral mo o sa tinatrabaho mo. You will get that visa, you will get that approval. Pag may pinasa ka, you will receive an approval from that. Yes, ang sagot. If you have a question now about something, yes, ang sagot. Wheel of Fortune is turning in your favor. Protected ka by the divine power, by the universe, by God, by Jesus Christ, kung ano pong pinapaniwalaan nyo. You are protected by a higher power. So manifest what you want. This is a time to manifest, especially aligned lahat ng planets this time. Habang ginagawa ko po ito, today, January 25, aligned lahat ng planets. So this is a time to start to manifest and pray for the dreams and things na gusto mo because it will come to you very quickly. So the Wheel of Fortune is being clarified. But the 10 of Wands, lahat ng mga baggage na naramdaman mo, lahat ng hardships na dinadamdam mo, lahat ng mga hirap ay patapos na because this is also a 10. So lahat ng pagod, lahat ng hirap, lahat ng pasakit, natapos na. The wheel is turning in your favor at gagaan na lahat from here on out. Wow, this is one of the best readings I have done so far. Full of blessings, full of new opportunities, full of fulfillment, at lahat ng hiling matutupad. So, this is a wonderful February for you, Virgos. Hopefully, naka-resonate po kayo. Comment down below. Kung naka-resonate ka, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Magbabasa po ako sa mga comments niyo, don't worry. And I will reply to your stories. So, thank you. Very prosperous and auspicious February for your Virgo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time for your weekly reading naman next time. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.